Hi, this is War. Welcome back. Uh, I'm going to show you how to put this light together. Let's see what it came with it. And this is how it looks like. So it came with the USB. I think that's mean have to be plugged to the power. And then there's the screw. I think you have to screw it. What else? So I think those are like, as you can see on the picture here, I think that's how we're going to follow. So I'm going to let it stand like this so I can see how it looks like. So what you do, if you can see, you align up the cover, the white with the white, and then push it in. So I just align it up together. And so let's see how the leg is going to go. So this leg could go on those two, as you can see right here. Those are two legs. So the same thing, we're not reading anything. We just align them up. Let's do just one and see how this should be. So I'm not going to take your time. So what I've done, you have to screw those. All right. So I think the connection will go. Okay. Yep, we got it. So it looks like the USB have to be connected here. Let's see. So I'm going to connect to this one because the power is too far away, and see what we got. So, okay, it just turned on. So this is how it should look like. Let's test it how this look like. So it have on and off. So let turn this on. Okay, it's on already. So let's test how this. Let's test it. All right, so it look good. So what we have, you can turn. There's a green, there's a red, there's a blue, and what else? So there's a lot of option, as you can see. I'm not going to play all of them, but it just sample so you have idea how this thing it should lie up. Yeah, so I think we did it right, and it's so simple. So when you put it together, you have to see the white